Welcome to the demonstration of NetSuite Ship Central. Ship Central provides pre-bill roles and dashboards for packing and shipping teams. Today, I'll be using the Ship Central Manager role to pack and ship two sales orders that are in the picked state, going to the same customer via the same ship method. Transitioning into Ship Central, either utilizing a mobile device or a kiosk, I'm going to select the Ship Central tile, where I then have the ability to select within which warehouse I want to perform my packing and shipping tasks. Ship Central allows for flexible workflows. Packing and shipping can be done as one step or handled separately. For this demonstration, I will demonstrate from the role of an operator who can do both packing and shipping. Ship Central supports sales orders and transfer orders. For today, I will be packing and shipping sales orders. I can filter by bin or see all sales orders that are ready to be packed and shipped. Let's take a look at all sales orders. I can either scan or type my sales order number at the top. And notice that when I pull up my first sales order, my second sales order is also available. NetSuite shows that these sales orders are going to the same customer via the same ship method and carrier. Now I'll begin packing. Packing instructions will appear if needed, and NetSuite's going to auto-generate a carton ID for me. I can scan or manually select my items to add them to my carton. Any item-specific packing instructions will appear. I'll select the quantity I'm putting into my carton, and then once I'm done, I will go ahead and pack my carton. For carton weight, I can use an integrated weight scale, enter the weight manually, or let NetSuite calculate it for me from the item records. I'll select my carton size, which helps determine shipping costs. And then, when my first carton is packed, I'll now move on to the second. I'll add another carton. NetSuite will generate another carton ID for me, and then I can add my items. Since this item is serialized, I'm going to tell Ship Central which serial number I'm putting into my carton. And then I can pack my second carton, entering my weight, selecting the size, and now I have two cartons that are packed. Since my last item is marked to ship as is, it means that it's already packed in the box that it will be shipped in. So I don't need to generate a new carton. I can print any carton labels, selecting my printer. And then now I have 3 fully packed cartons that are ready to be shipped. Once all of my cartons are packed, I have a few options. I can complete packing, which means my items are ready to be shipped, stage my order, moving it to a staging bin, add to a pallet, consolidating cartons onto pallets, or I can continue to shipping, which I'll do now. Ship Central will give me an overview of the cartons that are ready to be shipped, as well as the estimated shipping cost that Ship Central has pulled for the specific carrier selected on my sales orders. I can stick with this carrier, or I can shop for better rates. It looks like FedEx Ground is cheaper, so let's go ahead and select FedEx Ground as my ship method. NetSuite has updated my shipping cost, and now I can go ahead and ship my order. I can validate my shipping address, and then Ship Central is going to generate my tracking numbers. I'll select my printer for where my labels are going to be printed to, and then now my order will be updated. I now have a summary of my cartons, my tracking numbers, and if I go back into my sales order within NetSuite and refresh my sales order, my order has been updated to pending billing. I can see my items have been picked, packed, and fulfilled. And then if I move into my item fulfillment record, refresh my item fulfillment record, I can see my item fulfillment is now marked as shipped. And then my package information lives under my package tab. And then my shipping costs are reflected on my item fulfillment as well. Thank you for watching this demonstration. If you have any questions, please reach out to your account manager.